Hello students, today we are going to discuss division algorithm for polynomials. As you know how to divide numbers. Suppose, let me take two numbers. For any two positive integers I am taking. Suppose I am taking 2 and 5. How to divide this largest number by smallest number? So we know always we have to divide the largest number by smallest number. Suppose I am dividing 5 by 2. 2 to the 4, remainder is 1. So this is the division process for the number. And how to verify the remainder, is it correct remainder and is it quotient is correct or not. For that we can verify like this. This dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 equal to 5. So this is the procedure to check the quotient and remainder after the long division. Is it they are correct or not? Okay, so what is the condition to check quotient remainder correct or not? So dividend, that is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor, quotient into divisor plus remainder. So this condition is applicable for any two positive integers. That means if you have any two positive integers, then we can find quotient and remainder for the two numbers. So this is applicable for any two numbers, and this is equal, and this condition is satisfied for any two numbers. If you have any two numbers, you can find quotient and remainder. So same procedure you can apply for the polynomials also. Okay, suppose if you have some, so let me write the division algorithm condition for polynomial. Division algorithm for polynomials. Okay, so you write this statement in your notes. Division algorithm for polynomials. If we have two polynomials, p of x and g of x, are two polynomials and where g of x is not equal to 0, right? G of x not equal to 0 and degree of p of x is greater than degree of g of x, right? DEG means it is degree of p of x. So degree of p of x is greater than degree of gx means here p of x we should consider as dividend, g of x we should consider as divisor. So divisor always non-zero polynomial, right? So we have two polynomials here, p of x, g of x, where g of x non-zero polynomial and degree of p of x is greater than the degree of g of x, and such that so then we find two polynomials, q of x and r of x. Then we find q of x and r of x such that p of x is equal to q of x quotient polynomial into g of x plus r of x. Okay, here dividend, using this division condition for the numbers, how we are verifying the same, in the same manner we can verify the for the polynomials. So dividend polynomial is here p of x. How to identify dividend polynomial? The degree. If you have two polynomials, which polynomial having the greatest degree it consider as a dividend polynomial. Another polynomial you can consider as divisor polynomial. So if you have two polynomials, we can find quotient polynomial as well as remainder polynomial by long division. Okay, and after getting the quotient polynomial, remainder polynomial, you can verify the quotient remainder by using this condition. Dividend equal to quotient polynomial into divisor polynomial plus remainder polynomial, where we have one condition, degree of r of x always less than the degree of g of x. Always remainder polynomial should be less than the divisor polynomial. So this is important one. Okay, so this is the statement of division algorithm. For any two polynomial, we can find quotient polynomial, remainder polynomial such that satisfying this condition. Okay, let me explain with one example. I am explaining one example. Example 1. So I am taking two polynomials, 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and x plus 2. So find the, now we have to find q of x and r of x. So we have two polynomials here, x is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 x plus 2. We have to find quotient polynomial, remainder polynomial, right? So observe these two polynomials. This polynomial having the degree 2, this polynomial having the degree 1. So which is greatest degree? So this is greatest degree. So consider this polynomial as divisor polynomial. So let me take p of x as, so degree is 2 now, so this having the greatest degree, so I am taking p of x as a dividend. So p of x is dividend, this is a dividend polynomial, and g of x, that is x plus 2, which is divisor. Okay, now how we will divide the number? In the same manner we can divide the polynomials also. So I am taking divisor here and dividend here, 3x plus 1. Okay, and one more thing, you remember it, when two polynomials are given, when you are taking p of x, g of x separately, before taking p of x, g of x, you arrange the given polynomial as a descending orders of x powers. That means here x power 2, next x power 1, next x power 0. So it is arranged in descending order. It may be in zigzag way, so you have to convert into descending order. In order you have to write g of x also, x order is 1 and x degree is 1, here x degree is 0. So it is in descending order. Powers, x powers alone, they should be in descending order. Okay, after that you take divisor, and here in place of this dividend, then now divide the polynomial. So I wrote divisor here, I wrote dividend here. Now how to get quotient, how to do the long division method, I will explain here. So to get first term of the quotient, you consider the first term in dividend and first term in divisor. And in some rough work here, I am taking rough work. So first term in the dividend you write here in numerator, and first term in the divisor write in denominator. Okay, understood? First term, consider first term in the dividend and first term in the divisor. Write like this: quotient first term in the dividend and denominator first term in the divisor. Now x, how many times it will cut? X times. Okay, x. So what we got here? 2x. This is rough work. Okay, 2x. So right now we got first term in the quotient. So after getting first term in the quotient, multiply this by these two terms, divisor, whole divisor. Multiply the first term of quotient with whole divisor. So 2x into x, you will get 2x square here. Next 2x into this 2, 4x. Okay, next after that, now 2x we multiplied with these two terms, we got 2x square plus 4x. Next subtract. Here if it is plus, make it is minus. If it is plus, make it is minus. Now 2x square cancel. Now here simplify. 3x minus 4x, what you will get? Minus x. Now next term you can take here plus 1. Now observe the degree 1, here degree 1. So we can continue the procedure. And now to get next term of the quotient, take the first term in the dividend. Here first term is the dividend and first term in the divisor. So what is first term? Minus x. I am doing again the rough work. Minus x I am writing in numerator, and first term in the divisor write in denominator. Now cut it, you will get minus 1. Now this is second term in the quotient. here I am writing minus 1. Now multiply minus 1 with these two terms, only minus 1. Minus 1 into x, we will get minus x. Next minus 1 into 2, we will get minus 2 here. Now change the signs. If it is minus, take as plus. If it is minus, replace by plus. Minus x get cancelled. Plus 1, this is plus 2. Now plus 1 plus 2, 3. Now degree of the divisor is 1, degree of the remainder is 0. So we got remainder degree is less than the divisor. So stop the process. Now what we got in place of quotient? We got 2x minus 1. What we got in place of remainder? We got constant 3, which is called constant polynomial. So what we got? Q of x is 2x minus 1. What we got? R of x is 3. Okay, now I got quotient and remainder. No? So to know these answers are correct or not, we have to use the division algorithm condition. What is division algorithm condition? P of x is equal to divisor quotient polynomial into divisor polynomial plus remainder polynomial. Is it equal or not? We have to check it. For that, this is the condition to verify. So I am taking LHS. What is LHS? First, P of x. What is P of x? As we know, it is dividend. What is dividend? T 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, this is it. What is RHS? RHS is Q of x into G of x plus R of x. No? So I will substitute here. What is Q of x? It is quotient polynomial. What we got? 2x minus 1. I am substituting here 2x minus 1. G of x is divisor polynomial, which is x plus 2. R of x is constant 3. Now multiply 2x into x, 2x square, 2x into 2, 4x, minus 1 into x, minus x, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, plus 3. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. Okay, now I got RHS as 2x square plus 3x plus 1. LHS also 2x square plus 3h1. So therefore we can write LHS is equal to RHS. That is P of x we can write as P of x is equal to Q of x plus G into G of x plus R of x. So division algorithm is also verified, and where degree of R of x is also less than degree of G of x. So if you want to verify, you can take LHS separately, RHS separately. So after simplifying LHS and RHS, you show RHS equal to LHS. Okay, this is the verification, and this is the procedure to divide the two polynomials, given polynomials. Okay, let me explain one more problem. Example 2. Example 2. It is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Another polynomial 1 plus 2x plus x square. Okay, now see, here we have two polynomials. One is cubic polynomial, another one is quadratic polynomial. So which polynomial having greatest degree? First polynomial. So this is dividend polynomial, and this is the divisor polynomial. So let us do the division. So I am taking P of x as dividend polynomial. What is dividend polynomial? This one. What I said, before taking P of x, arrange the x terms. Arrange the terms in descending order of the powers of x. Okay, x cube, x square, x, there is no x. So the order is in descending order. So no need to change. Write as it is 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Right. Next g of x, which is divisor. Now see here. Here x power 0, here x power 1, here x square. So this is in ascending order, but we have to write in descending order. So first x square term, next x term, next 1. Okay, now I arranged in descending orders of the powers of x. Now divide, long division. Let us do long division. So I am writing divisor here, x square plus 2x plus 1, and dividend 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5. Okay, Right. Now what I said, to get first term in quotient, we consider first term in dividend and first term in divisor. In rough work, write in numerator. In rough work, write in numerator first term of dividend. What is first term? 3x cube. 3x cube. And first term in divisor. In denominator, write in denominator, x square. Now cut it. How many times it will go? X times. So what we got here? 3x. This is rough work. Okay, 3x. So we got first term in quotient 3x. After getting first term in quotient, multiply this term by divisor polynomial. Whole divisor polynomial you have to multiply. So how many terms you will get? First term, second term, 3 terms you will get. So first I am multiplying 3x by x square. X square into 3x, 3x cube. Next 3x into 2x, 6x square. Next 3x into 1 plus 3x. Okay. After getting these words, these terms, change the signs. This is plus, no, so minus. Plus, no, replace by minus. Plus, no, replace by minus. 3x cube minus 3x cube get cancelled. And this is plus 1x square. This is minus 6x square. What you will get? Minus 5x square. Plus x square minus 6x square becomes minus 5x. Plus 2x minus 3x will be minus x. Next term I am taking plus 5. Okay. Right. Now what we have to do? Consider the first term in numerator 5x square. Write the first term in numerator in rough work, and divisor first term in denominator. Then cut it. X square cancel. You got minus 5. This is rough work. Okay, minus 5. So I got second term in quotient minus 5. Now after getting second term in quotient, multiply this minus 5 by the divisor polynomial. Minus 5 into x square, you will get minus 5x square. Next minus 5 into 2x, minus 10x. Next minus 5 into 1, minus 5. Now change the sign. Minus 5 I am replacing by plus. Minus 10 replaced by plus. Minus replaced by plus. Minus 5x square plus 5x square cancel. Minus 1x plus 10x, you will get 9x plus 5 plus 5 plus 10. So this is remainder polynomial. Here degree 1, here degree 2. So divisor degree 2, remainder degree 1. So remainder degree is less, so you can stop the procedure. So what we got? Quotient polynomial is 3x minus 5. Remainder polynomial is 9x plus 10. Okay. Now verification. How to verify? We know the division algorithm. P of x is equal to Q of x into G of x plus R of x. So I am taking LHS. What is LHS? Is P of x. Dividend polynomial. What is given dividend? 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 is the dividend polynomial. And what is RHS? RHS is Q of x into G of x plus R of x. What we got? Q of x, we got 3x minus 5. What is G of x? Divisor polynomial, x square plus 2x plus 1 plus what is R of x? 9x plus 10. Okay, right. Now we should multiply these two polynomials. First to multiply with 3x. 3x into x square. 3x into x square. 3x cube. 3x into 2x plus 6x square. 3x into 1 plus 3x. Okay, with 3x over. Next with minus 5. Minus 5 into x square minus 5x square. Minus 5 into 2 minus 10x. Minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Next remaining terms plus 9x plus 10. Now simplify. 3x cube, only one term is there, write as 3x cube. Now x square terms 1, two terms are exist. 6x square minus 5x square, it becomes plus x square. Next x terms, 3x minus 10x, 9x. Three terms exist. 3x plus 9x, 12x minus 10x, it becomes 2x. Constants, minus 5 plus 10, only 2 exists. Minus 5 plus 10 becomes plus 5. So check it, LHS, RHS, we got both are equal. Therefore you can write LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS? P of x is equal to quotient polynomial into g of x plus r of x. So this is also verified. Division algorithm is verified for these two polynomials. One more example. Last example for this. Suppose I am giving example 3. Example 3. 2x power 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. Sorry. 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5. And second, x minus 1 minus x square. See this polynomials. Which is dividend? Here, what is the degree of this polynomial? 2 or 3? 3. Highest power. So this is cubic polynomial and this is quadratic polynomial. Highest degree is 2. Right? Which is dividend? This is dividend polynomial. So solution. I am taking P of x. P of x dividend polynomial. What I said, write in descending order of powers of x. So first write, you have to write highest power. Minus x cube is the highest power term. Next x square term plus 3x square. Next x term minus 3x. Next to plus 5. So I arranged the powers in descending order. Next g of x divisor polynomial. So this is also not in order. So first I am writing highest power minus x square. Next term plus x. Next term minus 1. Now I wrote in order. Now divide it. Minus x square plus x plus 1 is the divisor. Minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x plus 5 is the dividend. So how to get first term? First term in numerator. First term in divisor is in denominator. Okay. Minus minus cancel. X square how many times it will go? X times. So I got x. First term of quotient is x. Multiply x with all these terms. X into minus x square minus x cube. X into plus x. X into plus x square. X into 1 plus x. It becomes plus minus minus cancel.